Hello, hello, replay viewers. We are back for another bar step for you. This is just going to be a quick one. This is Batey. So when you step outside here, this is what it looks like. And this is it. Everyone keeps seeing me and no one says nothing. This is the second time I got this. You're walking I saw you, and I was like, okay. I have been here before. It was just a cute little hole in the wall. I just love this place. Now, like I said, this is your hole-in-the-wall bar. This is cheap drinks. You can probably get smashed for about $15, $20 here. Batey. It's in the description. And I'll be doing a write-up too, so we got all of it for you. Jeff, can you take a horizontal shot of the bar right now since there's nobody sitting there?
With what?
Oh, you don't have your camera? Or your phone? It is. I'm giving Jeff pointers. He's helping me blog a little bit today. So then, you could feel like you're in jail. Oh, this fan is heaven. Yeah, absolutely. I wanted something that's a little different, that's walkable for people, and the only money you're paying are the drinks that you're buying. It is. I have a good photo of that. Good job, John. So, I love it. I have a photo like that actually of my coworkers. I took my coworkers here in January. So, but yeah, that's the deal. We're gonna be leaving here though in a minute. Trying to get down to Puerto before the sun sets so I can get a couple photos of the new flag that's hanging across there. It rained today, so I'm like moist. It is humid today. But I'm going to leave you guys with this end shot. And of course, if you like what you're seeing here, please hit those 3 dots. Give me a follow. Check out my blog, HaleyWithAFlair.com. And I'm Haley with a Flair on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. So same name. And stay posted. We got a couple more spots to stop at. All right, guys. See you in a bit.